What is going on, my good people? Welcome to Emoneyshoes channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. I know I am. Had another good week of Who Has the Heat. Tasha_Mac1315 on IG, and is Rotha_ on YouTube versus Black Ass African, aka BAA. We are moving on up to that 1500. We trying to get there before the end of the month, so tell a family member, a friend, please hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, or thumbs down. I am chilling. You can see I'm out in the elements at the Navy Exchange. Look at the sky, it's all nice and bright. The palm trees, all of that good stuff, yada yada yada. Don't forget to tune in this week for week 3 of Who Has the Heat. Same thing, 9 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna get it on and popping with the family members, PM Kicks, and 313_retro_queen. Please make sure you go follow my family member and hit that notification button so you'll be notified every time a video is dropped. That's another one of these things of AKA Mr. Steal. This is not a personal pickup. Pick it up for a homie. Look at this price. I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you right there. Look at that. Foamposite Denim, $115, 92 bones. Now the question is, which one did I get? So you got Air, Foamposite 1, size 12, official colorway Obsidian, black University red. So just the retail price, $230. So I got more than half off on the $230 shoe. Got the Foamposite box. You know me, I got a power. I got my monster in the back. Got some Nike paper. Not disturbed. I got to go back and get my personal pal later on tonight before they run out. People worry about the price on Foamposites. Just be patient. These jokers are durable. Thumbnail with the monster in the back. So you pay the up. These shoes will last you forever, especially if you take care. I know people don't like that icy blue bottom, but if you clean them, they will be all G. So let's start on the bottom. Look at that icy blue sole with that herringbone traction for that penny 1 cent. Yes, everybody know the Foamposite was supposed to mold to your feet. So there's going to be a breaking in period on Foamposite. Don't think you're just going to go put them on and wear them for several hours. Not going to happen. Your feet going to be hurting like Mike and Janet. Just to let you know. You got that denim winner right there. I think you got Suede a New Book. I like where they got this check outlined in red. Kind of really makes it pop. You got your red going up here with your 1 cent. And you got your straight pull tab coming on the side. You got that carbon fiber plate on the other side. I love the way that sounds. Get that tick, 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 tick. Right? So you got your denim right there. Turn around on the bottom. On the back, you got your pull tab on that booty. You got your sock booty right there to help you pull these things on up so you can get ready to ball. I don't know. I don't recall seeing anybody balling no phones lately, but hey, there's neither here nor there. And in the back, you see you got Defender repellent system. That is dope. On the medial side, it's pretty much just all denim, and you can see where the shoe comes together with the stitching. I don't see any flaw. I mean, maybe a little glue right there, but that's subjective. Could be part of the icy blue on the shoe. Let's go inside. You got your red 1 cent. You got your shoe tree and all of that good stuff. I'm starting to get up on my Foamposite stuff here and there. So you guys let me know what you think. Would that be worth your while to pop it up for the low? Because you know me, I'm already looking for the steals and deals. If I gotta pay the up, I gotta pay the up. Now, on the Litty Lit meter, this is pretty dope. This is different for sure. So I give this a 4.6 out of 5. 4.6 out of 5. Let me know what you think. Also, you already know, go check out the homie, the fam, Money Run Clothing. Use my code, do what you like, get 20% off your order. or you can go on moneyrunclothing.com. Either way, you can DM him and he'll get back to you. Some other people, you like graphic stuff, you got Snooch Customs. I just gotta find me a graphics guy so I can, anybody know a graphics guy, please hit me up in the DM so I can get it done. And I have Snooch so I can make my logo, get it on and popping. And I may be possibly looking for somebody to hook me up with an intro. Just let me know the damage, I'll send it to them. Other than that, anybody out there that's got anything they want to try to sponsor, hit me up, E_money_shoes and IG, and I will make sure I spread the word, because that's what we all about, trying to spread the word about the smaller channels, get their name out there. Everybody just loves sneakers. So that's all I have for today. Keep copying what you like. Don't worry about what people say. Dope is dope. If you like it, you copy it. That's all I gotta say. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.